How to fix exception error code 0xc000027b in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Resetting corrupted cache files can remove problematic data that hinders the store's ability to function properly. A blank command prompt window will open, do not close it, and after about 10 seconds, the window will close, and the Microsoft Store will open automatically. If that didn't work, the store's server authentication may be hampered by incorrect date or time settings. Synchronizing them guarantees correct connection. Make sure that the Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update Now and OK. Fix 3. Re-register Microsoft Store. When the Store app's registration becomes misaligned, it may stop functioning properly, but re-registering it helps restore its core settings. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, damaged system files can disrupt UWP apps like the Store, and these scans repair them to restore stability. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.